12 is 11 to the fourth.
Exactly.
14 is -8 in parentheses to the sixth.
Yes.
16 is -1/5 in parentheses to the fourth. 18 is AB in parentheses to the fourth.
Could you pause real quick?
I'm pausing. Pause.
Pause. I didn't know what to do for you.
While we're pausing, let me get some water. Is this yours?
No.
Then maybe Garrett was correct. Maybe it is one of his siblings. We have some water. Right.
Hey, I'm done.
What'd I get for number 20?
Your mom.
I didn't know what I was supposed to do.
I got 3 times 7 times M.
Wait, 30 or 20?
20. M.
Yeah, that one was so confusing.
Yeah, it was.
It took me 5 minutes to figure it out.
I just didn't.
I just skipped it and then did all this. I just
What'd you
did
get?
34 MN to power base.
It's not 37. Look. 37. It's not
37.
It's not 37. Hey, guess what the password was?
Your mom.
It was you suck.
Hey, that's
So what password?
Bob.
Bad.
You're so stupid.
Bob is.
Guess what the password was? Chick-fil-A.
There wasn't a
Spell
password.
hummus.
Exactly. There wasn't a password.
Spell homicide. Okay. Corbin.
Corbin. No one.
Yeah.
You.
Ass.
Do we have a quiz day?
Probably.
That's not mine.
Okay, so back to where we were. 18 is AB in parentheses to the fourth. 20 is 21 M squared n to the fourth.
I was so confused on that one. I had no idea.
Wait.
Okay, where were we? 22 is n minus 5, whole thing, in parentheses, cubed.
3 is cubed.
What?
3 is cubed. There's 3 of them. Not 2.
I said cubed.
And cubed is 3?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Know that?
I knew that.
24A is 30,000 miles. 24B is 1,215 volcanoes. What do we go through? 36? 40?
Yes, 36.
26 is 5.625. 28 is -54. 30 is 10. 32 is 7. 34 is 1,024. And 36 is -10.
Okay.
All right, what questions do we have on those, kids?
On 26 and 36 are you supposed to solve them?
Did you watch the video?
That's what I thought you were supposed to do, but I didn't do it, sorry.
That makes sense, I guess.
A little sense at least.
Okay, number 20, you said. Okay, so number 20 is 3 times 7 times n times m times n times n times n times n. 3 times 7 times m times m times n times n times n times n.
That's what I ran in.
Okay, so the number in the front, we just do 3 times 7. What's 3 times 7? 21. Okay. How many m's are there? 2. So m squared. How many n's are there? 4. So n to the 4th.
I just didn't do math.
I just did 32 MN.
I just didn't
32
know.
mn?
Understand.
No, 37.
37. Oh, three times.
I was so confused on that one. Sorry.
Easy peasy. Does that make sense?
Yes, a lot more sense.
I think that was the most trickiest one. I think.
So tricky. All right. What other questions do we have on those?
36.
30?
30, yes.
36.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I think I forgot to include that in the video, actually.
24.
30 is actually really easy, but I don't think I actually included
I
that.
think I didn't. I just got 26.
26 through 36, I got wrong.
I just got 26.
Uh-oh.
So this is what I got wrong.
So number 30, you actually don't even have to plug anything in.
Yeah.
Anything to the 0 is 1. Anything to the 0 is 1. So this would turn into a 1 plus 9, which is 10.
I got 12.
Wait, what?
Which one?
Yeah.
Anything to the 0 is 1.
No, I did that, but
Oh.
I used the y. I changed put the y into the 3.
Even if you change the y into a 3, even if you did that, anything to the 0 is 1. And so you still get 10.
I know that.
Yeah.
That's what I got wrong.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I think I didn't mention that in the video. So
And I got 28.
26.
you probably want to add that to your notes so that you'll remember when you're studying for your test this time, right?
26.
26.
I got 26, 28, 30, and 32 all wrong.
Y'all got all of those all wrong.
Because I plugged it in.
Failures at life.
I plugged the whole problem in the calculator and put equals.
Is that what happened?
Yeah, I think.
So you plugged it in wrong.
No, I didn't.
So 26 is z. Well, clearly you didn't.
No, I
Z cubed.
Dad,
And it what? And it says the value of the expression, and what we care about for this one is z equals 2.5. So what should we do?
2.5 times for z. 5. Which equals 5.
Is this 36?
7.5.
Yeah, 5.
What?
Wait, that was not
That
5.
would equal 7.5.
2.5 times 2.5 times 2.5 is 7.5? Times, not plus. Times. Put 2.5 cubed in your calculator.
Where's my calculator?
I know I got that. It's up there. It's at the bottom of my
Chippo equals
Oh no,
15.625.
Yeah.
See, that's the answer.
That is the answer.
That's what I wrote, and you said it was wrong.
I said 26 was 15.6.25.
Okay, I got it.
625.
Actually, I got 26 right.
Okay, you got 26 right. Big break.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What other questions do we have?
5. You don't do
Oh, X.
you don't put plus 3.
Okay, I'm done.
Did you find it?
He was trying to do plus 3.
Yeah.
Did you figure out how to do it?
Yeah.
Good.
I was like, when I was doing that one, I was like looking for the cubes. I'm like, where is it? So I just did times. That's probably what happened too.
Awesome.
It's time.
Yeah. So there's a squared button and then there's an exponent button. You found them both? Yeah, where's the exponent one? Because see, this is cubed, right? Oh, I forgot this has a cube button. So that's great. But it also has an any exponent button. So like if I want to do 5 to the 5th, then I use this button.
And then we got 9 exponent of 4.
What?
And 9 to the power of 100.
Yeah, got a big old number. Yeah.
So
I
that's
don't know how to say it.
so that's pretty much all I had did because I did just times. So that.
But is the power up so easy, Dad?
Easy money.
Yeah, we're all gonna pass this quiz.
So if you did
Okay,
do times,
you have any other questions?
No.
You shouldn't just assume that you got it.
Yeah.
That's what happened on the last test. You should actually look and see if you actually have any more questions.
36.
28.
28 and 36.
Bro, the last year it was hard.
Bro, the last
That
year.
was the
I
hardest
am your
test.
father, not your bro. X, Y cubed said it tells us that x equals -2. This is 28. And y equals 3.
I knew it. I was
All right, what should we do?
Fill in -7 for x and 3 for y.
-2.
-2.
Negative
It's 7.
7.
What's that? -7.
The answer is
Z. -Z.
What am I going to punch in my calculator first?
negative
Parentheses.
No,
-2, 3.
the 3 cubed. That's what I'm going to put in my calculator first. Remember this?
No.
PEMDAS,
Yes.
parentheses,
-54?
exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Parentheses, don't have those. Exponents. So 3 cubed. What's 3 cubed?
It's 9.
It's
No,
27.
3 squared is 9. 3
Oh,
cubed is
27.
27. -2 times 27. How? -2 times 27.
54.
No.
No, that's
Put your calculator down and think about it. Put your calculator down. So look up here. What kind of number are we expecting? A positive one or a negative one? Negative one. So
-50. That's what I have my calculator. And I said 54.
Could you just punch in parentheses, -2, parentheses, 3,
You don't
squared?
have to parentheses.
you could.
Look, this is what I did. This is what I was
You don't have
just
to put parentheses in them.
No, I don't.
What?
You don't have to put parentheses.
Look,
Yes, you do.
these good things.
Why
Yeah,
did you?
because otherwise it won't do the negatives, right?
He's cheating.
Yeah, let's do this.
He's cheating. I would not recommend doing that. It's a good way because that's, and I want to tell you why. Because that's a good way to accidentally lose a whole bunch of points on accident. Because if you make a little mistake and you just put it in your calculator, then it's all wrong. But if you show me some steps, you're like, oh, they just didn't do this part right, then I can still give you most of the points. That make sense? So do it. You can still do the math in the calculator, but I would break it up into the steps a little bit. That way, because if you make a mistake, a little mistake, that's fine, -1. If you make all the mistake, -12. Dang it. Now I failed, right? Does that make sense?
No, I
12 minus.
I'll never fail.
All right. There was something else. 36. Is that what did somebody ask 36 or something else?
Yes, 36.
Okay, 36. Let's do 36.
36 is easy.
Easy.
I'm just asking because I'm wondering.
Because he wants to make sure he got it.
Yes.
He's listening to me. Good job. It only took till what, April? But at least we're making progress, right? Okay, what should I do now?
Fill in the x for -2, but parentheses.
Yeah, it's already in parentheses.
Extra parentheses.
You don't put it in. I'm like, well, you don't put it in.
Obviously.
What is -2 cubed?
-2.
Put your calculator down.
-6.
What's 2 cubed?
4.
2 squared is 4. 2 cubed is what?
6.
No.
-6.
No.
-8.
2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8.
-8.
So it is -8 because it's not. You can totally put it on the calculator, but the more we kind of start thinking, the better, right? So 5 -8 plus 6. Don't use your calculator. You can do this without a calculator. What are we going to do next?
In the parentheses.
In parentheses, that's true.
So
So -8 plus 6,
-2.
-2.
-2 times 5.
They're different signs, and so we subtract each sign of the big one, right?
So -10.
Okay.
I don't know how I got.
I got
God,
it.
I was big brain and just put that all on the calculator. And then
Again, that's dangerous. I won't count off on these problems. There are some problems later where if you don't show work, not in this class, but where you don't show work, I will count off most of it because the point is the process. This is not one of those questions, but I am telling you it is dangerous to just punch it all in your calculator because mistakes hurt a lot worse if you just shove it all in your calculator. All right, take a quiz. Unless we have other questions. Do we have other questions?
I have a question.
No.
Dad, how do you do
You have to remember nothing.
100 times
We're
1,000?
singing.
You take
I'm like,
1,000 and move the decimal place 2 places to the right.
Oh. Okay.
All right, quiz 9-1.
Can I have my
haven't yet.
Because I definitely need that.
Yep, I need some paper.
I don't need paper.
You too? Well, you don't get it.
I don't need paper. I already know how to get paper on my own.
Oh, you said paper. I need some red
No, I wrote that.
An emergency. What?
Just in case we need it.
Jameson and Jacoby, you can just bring your quizzes when you come back.
Hey, what? Wait a second. Is that paper? You see paper?
Okay.
Here's the paper and ready.
Ready to go.
Easy.
Do we have to do so much easy stuff?
You will have videos for the next couple lessons. They may not be out until Saturday because today and tomorrow I have to get ready for prom and go to Grace and all of that stuff.
And I'm going to spend my
Probably, maybe, you're hoping.
It's probably definitely